Welcome back. Hospitality Group held its 7th Middle East Hospitality Excellence Awards 2021 in Dubai. The event celebrated the work of top hospitality professionals, acknowledging their dedication to providing great service and experiences.
Congratulations to all the participants here today. Now your teams, your hotels have nominated you from so many people. You're anyways a winner. And it's taken over 6 months of hard work, over 130,000 votes, 2 rounds of voting, and here we are, this beautiful venue, and we are celebrating the winners. So all our partners, all our supporters here, thank you, thank you.
What a good-looking crowd we have here to celebrate everyone, and a huge congratulations to each and every one of you that have managed to get this far. So very well done indeed.
Raj, what a comeback you've made with the Hospitality Awards, doing a physical event after last year that was online, and you've chosen the most beautiful venue in Dubai, I think.
I have been lucky that we were partnered with Arabian Ranches Golf Club. Amazing venue, it looks beautiful, and they have partnered for the next year as well. So we'll replicate the event, maybe much bigger, like next year as well. Yeah.
Well, among so many different categories that are being awarded here, which is your most favorite category?
We just added a category as COVID Champion of the Year.
Oh, okay.
We had this year, and we got huge turnout for that.
It's a deserving award, I think.
That's a very deserving award, because these people really worked hard. But every award is very important for us, because these are awards for people.
Yeah.
And it's a popular choice award. So like Filmfare Awards for hospitality industry.
Yes.
We love it. We love doing this.
That's wonderful. Thank you so much, Raj.
Thank you.
Judges panel for the Hospitality Awards this year. What have you got to say about it?
Well, it's a true talent that you have looked for, and it's a real hard job. And I hope we have justified our role, and I wish the winner all the best.
Was it difficult doing it? Yes.
Always difficult. There's a lot of people, and all are talented. Actually, whoever comes on that panel, or what they come through, they're all winners, but we only have to choose 1 or 2, unfortunately.
Yeah, true. Is there a favorite category you have in these awards?
The chefs.
Okay.
The chefs mainly, the one who do specialized stuff.
Yes.
And they're so small menu, but taste amazing.
Yes.
Taste out of this world.
Yes. Thank you so much for
Thank you,
joining us
dear.
here.
Thank you so much, dear. Thank you.
Mr. Sandeep, I'm sure you've been associated with the Hospitality Awards and with Raj for many years now. What words would you like to share with us about this?
I think it's an association which goes a long way, and I think Raj is doing a great job in recognizing people today. Especially during these times, it's again and again got proven that people make all the difference. For example, we at Marriott have 30 brands, but we don't really own hotels. We own brands, and people actually bring brands to life. And the fact that we can be here today to celebrate, nothing can be a better evening.
thank you, Raj, and Hospitality Middle East and Africa for the gold winner of this MPQ Travel and Tourism Hospitality Award. And I would like to say thank you very much for the award. And I would like to say thank you, and I would like to encourage everybody out there to be part of this hospitality award.
Hi, this is Ina from Iman Hospitality Group, and I'm thrilled to accept this award, and I want to congratulate Raj and the hospitality team for this incredible platform that allows people to be recognized. And I really encourage everybody to partner and take the opportunity to be recognized in this beautiful platform. All the best.